Hey everyone, so we've got a new keyboard. Just got it in. Actually, I bought this secondhand, so I bought it off Marketplace. But we've got... this one's dead. That one needs to be sent back. Those are the key switches and keycaps for this guy, which I haven't even opened yet. But I was thinking we should pull this one apart. So this is just the stock effect, which you can customize all of it. It is a Keychron, oh, it doesn't say on the back. I believe it's a Keychron Q6, but I will put it on the screen if it's not that. But the Keychron Q6, and that's the effect. So it's south facing LEDs. It's got a full numpad, so it's a full 100% keyboard. Full 100% keyboard, and I think I'm going to disassemble it first before we start to add anything to it, just to know how it ticks. So first things first, we're going to unplug it. I'm going to throw out some garbage here. I'm going to flip it over. So I'm going to sit flush because of the knob on it, which I really like. And we've got some Allen keys. What size are we going to be here? This one. Oh, too big. That guy. There's there.
These my dance make it hurt.
One more left here. So, with all those out, I'm assuming the back comes off, and it is already foam filled, unlike the last. Yeah, see, there's still a little bit of shmoo in it, but definitely not bad for what you would assume to see if it was a higher use keyboard. So that is then all screwed in the back, but I don't think there's a point to me taking it out. It does, however, have a separate controller for the USB, which is nice, so if that dies, at least you're not soldering on the board. You should be able to just get a new USB-C port. Yeah, if you can see this would all just pull off here. If I can get it out. That detaches then too, and then we've got a metal plate there too, and you can see like it's very clean. It's not brand new clean, but it's definitely low use clean, unless he took it all apart to clean it, but it's in very good condition, especially for the price. So then we put that guy back there, and I'll put this guy back over. Everything looks like it's going to line up. So now we're going to reassemble the bottom, then I can start putting key switches in it.
These my dance make it hurt.
Okay, now that those are all tight, let's put this back, that way I know where it is the next time I need it. Now that those are tight, let's put this underneath here for a second. I come up here. Need that still, but let's put it. Okay, so we've got more Keychron key switches. And then we've got keycaps. Honestly, I do not remember who they were by, but I believe these are the same as the ones I used on my last build. These are the Keychron, they're Keychrons, they're the brown Pro switches. They're tactile switch, 55 CN for actuation. Used for gaming, plate mountable, factory lubed. I like the fact that they're factory lubed. And this seller on Amazon Ranked has a really good price for them, and they seem like high quality. I've been using them for a couple months in my last build, and they were fantastic. They still hold up. Like this build here, all Keychron switches with the put-in keycaps. They're just same thing, Amazon special, but starting out, I don't have all of the money for everything, but so we've got all of our Keychron brown switches. Fold that back up. Just like that, installed. No, nothing is that easy. So now we get to put one in every hole. Oh. And so the last board I built was north facing LEDs, so the LED hole in the key switch needs to be facing up. However, this is south facing, so you need to install it with the LED hole facing down instead of up. South facing means it's face towards you versus facing away from you. And then, so all you do, place it in the hole and press down. And then do that 106 more times or 108 more times, however many there are on this board. And you just keep pressing. So we're going to speed this up. I'll do a time lapse of me putting in key switches.
These my dance make it hurt.
Now we've got it all installed. So now if we take this guy, we'll put that in. This is what it looks like with all of the key switches installed. This one, however, I'm going to do a quick dig and see if there's a way to test the reactivity of the keyboard or the keycaps before we, or the key switches, sorry, before we put all the keycaps on. But it's not bad. Everyone makes it feel like it's a lot more to do something like this, and it's really not hard. The other box which I'll probably go with these guys, is the more white, and then it's got the teal look, and I think this is the way I'm going to go instead of the dark gray and pink. I like this more. I think that's going to look really good, so I think we're going to do this. So now we will take the cover off, and we're just going to start putting them on.
These bad dance make it hurt.
This is the typing test on a Keychron Q6. It's got Gateron brown switches with some Amazon special keycaps.